How to use mulberry leaf for better health. Tips and warnings. Mulberry leaves, derived from the Morus alba tree, are increasingly gaining recognition in the health and wellness industry for their powerful health benefits. Beyond their traditional use in silkworm cultivation, mulberry leaves are a treasure trove of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, alkaloids, and vitamins. In this video, we will delve into the scientifically proven benefits of mulberry leaves, explore real-life case studies, and share personal experiences to showcase their unique value. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Just one more thing, if you're over 50, be sure to watch this video until the end. And if you're under 50, don't skip it. This information can truly help you live a longer, healthier, and disease-free life. Number 1. Blood sugar regulation. Mulberry leaves are a natural boon for individuals managing diabetes or prediabetes. The DNJ compound inhibits enzymes that convert starch into glucose, reducing post-meal blood sugar spikes. A 2012 study published in PLOS One revealed that consuming mulberry leaf extract significantly improved glucose tolerance in subjects with type 2 diabetes. Michael from California shares, "As a type 2 diabetic, adding mulberry leaf tea to my routine has been life-changing. My post-meal glucose levels are now stable, and I feel more in control of my health." Number 2. Heart health. Rich in antioxidants and potassium, mulberry leaves can lower LDL cholesterol and improve arterial function. Research in Phytotherapy Research, 2016, demonstrated that regular intake of mulberry leaf tea reduced LDL levels in hyperlipidemic patients. David from Texas shares, "I started drinking mulberry leaf tea to lower my cholesterol. Within 3 months, my doctor noticed significant improvements in my lipid profile. Plus, the tea has a pleasant, earthy flavor." Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Mulberry leaves contain quercetin, a flavonoid known to reduce inflammation. Studies have shown it helps alleviate conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Anita from India shares, "I've followed my grandmother's advice and used mulberry leaves for inflammation relief. It's worked wonders for my chronic arthritis." Number 4. Weight management. The fiber and bioactive compounds in mulberry leaves suppress appetite and improve fat metabolism. A clinical trial in Japan highlighted that participants who consumed mulberry leaf supplements experienced a significant reduction in BMI after 12 weeks. Clara from New York shares, "After adding mulberry leaf extract to my diet, I've lost 15 pounds in 3 months. It curbs my appetite and I feel lighter and healthier." Number 5. Boosting immune function. The high vitamin C content enhances immunity and supports the body in fighting infections. Carlos from Spain shares, "Since I started adding mulberry leaf powder to my smoothies, I feel more energetic and haven't caught a cold all winter." Number 6. Improved skin health. Mulberry leaves contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can enhance skin texture and tone. Studies have shown that extracts can reduce melanin production, aiding in brighter skin. Emma from London shares, "Using mulberry leaf extract as part of my skincare routine has reduced dark spots and given my skin a natural glow." Number 7. Liver health support. The antioxidants in mulberry leaves, including flavonoids and alkaloids, support liver detoxification and reduce liver enzyme levels in cases of fatty liver disease. Ahmed from Dubai shares, "After regular use of mulberry leaf tea, my liver function tests have improved significantly. My doctor is amazed at the progress." Number 8. Enhanced digestive health. The dietary fiber in mulberry leaves promotes healthy digestion and prevents issues like constipation. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Olivia from Sydney shares, "Drinking mulberry tea daily has helped regulate my digestion. I feel less bloated and more comfortable." Well, that covers all the scientifically proven benefits of mulberry leaf. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these powerful leaves. Question 1. How to incorporate mulberry leaves into your routine. Mulberry leaf tea. Brew dried leaves in hot water for a soothing drink. Powdered supplements. Add mulberry leaf powder to smoothies, soups, or baked goods. Capsules. ideal for those who prefer a no-fuss supplement option. Topical use. Extracts can be used in skincare for their anti-inflammatory benefits. Question 2. Can mulberry leaves be eaten? Yes, mulberry leaves can be consumed in various forms, such as tea, powder, or as a cooked green in certain dishes. Question 3. Who should not take mulberry leaf extract? Individuals with low blood sugar, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and those on specific medications should consult a doctor before using mulberry leaf extract. Question 4. Is mulberry good for kidneys? Yes, mulberry leaves have antioxidant properties that may help protect kidney function. Question 5. Is mulberry high in uric acid? No, mulberries and their leaves are not high in uric acid and may help manage conditions like gout. Question 6. What are the side effects of mulberries? Potential side effects include mild gastrointestinal discomfort or allergic reactions in some individuals. Question 7. Can I boil mulberry leaves and drink it? Yes, boiling mulberry leaves to make tea is a common and effective way to enjoy their benefits. Question 8. Can I eat mulberry every day? Yes, mulberries can be eaten daily in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Question 9. Do mulberries increase sperm count? Some studies suggest that mulberries may support reproductive health and improve sperm count due to their antioxidant properties. Question 10. Does mulberry increase estrogen? There is limited evidence suggesting that mulberry may influence estrogen levels, but it is not considered a significant estrogen booster. Well, whether you brew it as tea, blend it into your diet, or use it topically, mulberry leaves offer a holistic approach to health. Start your journey today and experience the transformation firsthand. Have you tried mulberry leaves? Share your experiences in the comments below.